Hello everyone and welcome to the course Angular Login and Registration with Fake Backend. Now this course is an extension of Angular 6 dashboard using material design. So those who have already watched the previous series and built the application can continue with the same dashboard application because we will be building login on top of it. And for those who are starting fresh can download the code from GitHub, install the code and learn while building it along with the tutorial. Link to the code is in description. Now let's take a look at the course outline. I have divided this course into 5 topics for easier understanding. But in order for it to work properly, we need all the pieces. The first topic is message component. Now this will be used to display messages on UI like success or failure. Second is login component, which would be our entry point to the application. Third is registration component, where all the new users can register and can create their login ID in order to use it via login page. Fourth is route guard and support utility. Now in this topic, we will create route guard for safeguarding our routes from an unauthorized access, and support utility will assist us to enable route guard. Last is custom services. In this topic, we will be creating all the custom services that we will be using, and we will be giving final touches to our course. From next tutorial, we will start with the message component and we will be doing some coding. So see you guys in the next tutorial, and please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.